In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Privacy section. Then choose App Permissions here. Tap on any of your device's features you wish to manage, like camera, and pick one of your apps, in my case YouTube. Then select one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with first option, so when I tap and go, I can see that YouTube just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can also go back, pick any feature just to find an app you wish to manage, and scroll all the way down to select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!